Hello, welcome to all of you. In previous lecture, we have seen the definition, principle, background, and the scope of environment science. In today's lecture, we are going to see the next point of this chapter, that are the environment science as a disciplinary in nature or a multidisciplinary in a nature. Let's see. Environment science, it is a core branch that can be applicable in a different branches. That is also known as the interdisciplinary science, multidisciplinary science. Environment science create the discipline for the many branches like ecology, biology, chemistry, atmospheric science, oceanography, geology, anthropology, archaeology, sociology, history, political science, engineering, economics, and ethics. That are the branches that can be a core branch of environment science. Let's see. Environment science, it is applicable in biology. What is the biology? Biology, it is nothing but the study of a living organism, either plants or animals, so that environment can be used in this branch. Then chemistry. Chemistry, there are different nutrients are present on the earth. In such condition, nutrient or the chemical component are present on the earth, that is also part of a environment, so that it can be helpful to understand their chemical nature, property. Environment, it is needed, so that environment, it is also core branch for the chemistry. Then atmospheric science. In an environment, it is nothing but the study of a different atmospheric condition, that can also helpful for the atmospheric science. Then oceanography, the study of oceans or the aquatic ocean, that can be helpful for the understanding the ocean level or the oceanography. Hence environment science, it is a core branch of oceanography. Then geology, the study of earth surface or the geographical area present on the earth, so that environment science, it is also, it is a core branch for the geology. Anthropology, archaeology, that is also related branches that can help by the environment science. Then sociology, history, political science, engineering, economics, ethics, that is also some related branch that can be a core branch of environment science. Let's see. Multidisciplinary nature of environment study. Why environment science is considered as a multidisciplinary nature? Let's see. The study of environment components, it is a multidisciplinary in a nature, since it include all disciplinary such as a science, humanities, commerce, meteorology, climatology, geography, and other such discipline I have explained in a flow charts. So that environment science, it is considered as a multidisciplinary in a nature. Multi, that means many, and disciplinary, that make some disciplines or the some things that can be learned to the different branches. Let I explain climate, then geography, then meteorology, commerce, humanities. That are the some sub branches that can use the knowledge of environment science, so that environment science consider as a multidisciplinary in a nature. Environment study is a multidisciplinary program that created to promote the study of our natural surrounding. Environment science, it is a multidisciplinary nature that create and the promote the study of our natural surrounding. That are the some reasons due to which we need learn from the environment science. Let's see different branches that can be useful for the environment science. Let's see. Environment science, they are the basic and the applied study, so that basic and applied study can be done with the help of environment science. Let's see. First is the life science, biology, biochemistry, microbiology, biotechnology. That are the basic science that can be used the knowledge of environment science. That is the one things that can be used in that sciences. That is biology, in biology, zoology, botany, biochemistry, biotechnology, microbiology. That are the basic sciences that can be used the knowledge of environment science. Then physical science, physics, chemistry, earth science, atmosphere science, oceanography, geography. That is also basic science that can be used the knowledge of environment science. Like physics, they use some electric power station, waves, light, that are also natural things, that means environment things. So that environment also related to the physics, chemistry, earth science, atmosphere, oceanography and the geography. Then some technology. Environment, it is also helpful for the technology like civil engineering, chemical engineering, hydraulics, nanotechnology, that are the some technology can take a help from the, or the take a knowledge from the environment science. Then management and the awareness, economic, sociology, law, education, management, mass communication, that are the some management and awareness branches that can take a knowledge or the base on the environment science. Economics, that means every year forest production that can gain a many money, and that money it is also related to the economics. Then sociology, impact of environment or the diversity on the social communities. For example, in some tribes there are the some peoples are live in a only tribes because there are that food is present or that tree present in a specific area, so that tribe live in a that specific area. Until that forest is not present in that area, that tribal people comes into civilized area or the village area. It is also sociological. Law, education, management, mass communication, that is also related to the environment science. Then modeling, mathematics, statistics, computer science. The modeling, it is also based on the environment science. That is a mathematics, statistics, computer science, that are the some branches that create a model on the basis of a environment science. That are the some multidisciplinary science, due to which we can consider or the assume that environment science, it is a multidisciplinary. Environment science create a many discipline on that their different branches are present, that is a basic or applied branches, technology, management and awareness and the modeling. Life science included the botany, zoology, microbiology, genetics, biochemistry, biotechnology, helps to understand the biotic component and their interaction. That is the important things. Environment science create the source or the create the discipline that can be learned from that different life sciences subject, that is the botany, zoology, microbiology, genetics, biochemistry, biotechnology, helps to understanding the biotic and the abiotic components interaction that can be learned with the help of these branches, or that can branch learn from that ecological concept or the environment component. The physical and the chemical structure of a biotic component and the energy transfer and the flow understood with the help of a basic concept of a physics, chemistry, atmosphere science and the oceanography. I have explained in that some subjects like physics, chemistry, oceanography, earth science, that are the helpful to understand the some concept like a biotic component, energy flow within the ecosystem or the within the nature. That also create the disciplines for such subject. Mathematics, statistics, computer science serve the effective tools for the environment modeling and the management. Environment, it is the one models or the ecosystem or the any things in environment that are the modeling or the based on the some specific way. To determine the specific way, some branches are the use that data. That data can be used of mathematics, statistics or the computer science. So that environment science, it is a disciplinary subject for the all this type of a subject. Economics, sociology, mass communication provide the input for the dealing the socio-economic aspect associated with the various development activity. That is also I have explained economics, how economics is related to the environment, how sociological impact related to the environment. Mass communication, that means it is all about the media, news. If any problem are created in the environment, there is mass communication is increases. For example, any forest is cutting by the government rules, that is a more focus of a media or the news on that forest. Okay, so that environment also create the scope for the mass communication. A synthesis with environmental engineering, civil engineering, Chemical engineering forms on the basis of various technologies dealing with the control of environmental pollution, waste treatment and development, cleaner technology that are the important for the protection of a environment. I hope that some advanced or the technical branches also help from the environment science, that are the civil engineering, environment engineering, that are the helpful for the to protection of that environment that can be applicable. So that environment science also create the scope for that engineering subject like civil engineering, environment engineering, waste degradation, that concept can be applicable. Environmental law provide the tools for the effective management and the protection of a environment law that create the effective management and the protection for the environment. So that the environment science also create the scope, also can be used in a laws and the management. Okay, this is about the our second point of this chapter, that are the environment science as a multidisciplinary in nature. Okay, if you have any doubts related to the environment science as a multidisciplinary subject, please comment below the section. Thank you.